Huawei's tri-fold smartphone will launch in China September 10th, and it will be called Mate XT. And this the hands-on first look Huawei Mate XT. The inner screen is tipped to span 10 inches, and there appears to be a hole punch cutout for the front camera on the leftmost screen. The back of the Huawei Mate XT may sport a circular camera module with a ring design. A tipster has hinted towards BOE as the Huawei Mate XT display supplier. BOE display aims to reduce the overall power consumption and flickering issue. It brings wide viewing angles with narrow edges, making the screen lightweight and slim. It also enhances touch response and boosts the image quality to the next level. A fingerprint scanner sits on the right-hand side, while you can also see the camera bump here. It may be powered by a Kirin 9 series chipset. With LPDDR5X 16GB of RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 flash storage, the device will allegedly cost 16,888 Chinese yuan in China. We'll have official images in exactly 1 week, so there isn't that much more waiting to do. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.